Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this reading we'll be seeing what's there in store for you for the last 15 days of March. And as these are general readings, won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what's there for Cancerians. These two cards have come up. We have the Queen of Swords and the Two of Cups. Okay, so we'll be seeing your past, the present and the future energies. Again, two cards have come up. We'll take the Four of Swords and the Two of Swords. So this is the past, the current energies, and then the future, expected future energies. So let's see what's there for my Cancerians. What else is there for my Cancerians? Okay, again the two cards are popping up for you. The Nine of Cups and the Page of Swords. Okay, so let's have the pop outs for you for the future also. Let's see what's there in the future, messages for the future. So this one, okay. One more please. Let's have. Okay, that's beautiful. This time after a long time I've done a reading with the pop-ups. Let's see how it resonates with my Cancerians. Okay, so as far as your past energies are concerned, we have the Queen of Swords, the Two of Cups and the Four of Swords. So there seems to be some sort of I should say a disconnect, if not necessarily a disconnect, but yes, there is something which has being communicated in such a way in a relationship or in a partnership or in a friendship, which is hurting somebody. So with the Queen of Swords, the Two of Cups and the Four of Swords, so there is some sort of discordance, or there is some sort of something has happened here because of which there is perhaps a lack of communication or minimal communication between this relationship, which was at some point very beautiful and I should say transparent and equally balanced relationship. So there is something which has happened over here, and I think there has been some miscommunication. That's what I feel, which has really hurt the other person, and now perhaps you're not talking to each other. There is a very cold type of a vibe over here, maybe even being very defensive to each other. Okay, and with the Four of Swords, what I feel is you just given up on this connection. Whatever this connection was over here, you really given up, or perhaps left it to time, just taking time off, not actively involved in it, or not actively involved in correcting it. Okay, so it is just time. Maybe you are just leaving it as it is. Just thinking if it has to be okay, it will be okay on its own, or perhaps even leaving it. Because what I feel here is with the Six of Swords, uh, this is the time you are giving yourself to heal and just move on. But you are moving on towards your wish fulfillment. You're moving towards happiness. Now, whatever this happiness is for you, this is your present situation. So in the past, there has been some sort of a disconnect. Something has been communicated, perhaps in a very harsh way, which was not taken nicely or not welcomed by the other person. And because of which this energy has, there has been some disruption in this energy, I should say, or at least a non-communication type of a thing. And now you're just giving it time, or maybe you're giving yourself time, because with the Six of Swords, what I feel is somebody here is ready to move on towards wish fulfillment, towards their own happiness. And with the Page of Swords, this is your present energy. You're moving towards, transitioning towards your wish fulfillment, your happiness, whatever it means for you. And with the Page of Swords, definitely you are slowly getting the clarity and taking small steps towards your new beginnings. That's what I feel here. So this is your present situation. Yes, I really don't see that you are investing in this older person again. So whatever this friendship was or this partnership was, I really don't think for most of you that you will be investing in this again. I really don't think. I think you are walking away from this connection and moving towards new beginnings and your own wish fulfillment and your own abundance. And here we have the King of Swords, the Ten of Wands and the Magician in the near future. So what I feel is you are also having your guards up now. I really don't feel here the guards were up. No communication or minimal communication, very, very defensive attitude. And yes, definitely leaving away this connection. I really don't see this connection moving anymore. So there's definitely a loss of this connection. You're moving, leaving this partnership, whatever it was for you, towards your own wish fulfillment and achieving whatever needs to be achieved single-handedly, alone. So that you want to work alone there. Whatever it is a new beginning. For those of you, it was a partnership or a friendship, or you were working in collaboration, then maybe you want to achieve it alone. And if it was a connection, a romantic relationship, still I think you're moving alone. And here with the King of Swords, I really don't see you entertaining any sort of a communication from that person. With the Ten of Wands and the Magician in the near future, you are actually actively working on unburdening yourself. You really want to, I should say, whatever the impact this relationship or this partnership had on you, you just want to unburden it, and you really want to have a new beginning in your life, with the Magician being there. So it is, and the entire process is moving away from one connection which didn't serve you for some reason, and this partnership or this relationship broke off, and you are slowly and steadily moving towards your own happiness and actually achieving it. So you are determined to achieve it, with the Magician being there, and you are very coming out very strong and powerful over here. Okay, so it's no looking back towards that connection. It's gradually healing yourself, moving towards the new beginnings, moving towards peace, unburdening from whatever has happened in the past. And it is a very determined and a very closed off energy for the past connection or the past relationship, whatever it was. You are just totally unburdening yourself, and it seems to be a very beautiful energy, Cancerians. Let's see what is the message from this deck for you. Okay, with the four of diamonds being there, there is some sort of an hesitation. Maybe you are, maybe people are admiring you, or you are admiring somebody here from behind, but it is actually somebody admiring the other person behind the closed doors. It's like somebody admiring you from far. So maybe it is about the way you have dealt with the old thing, and you are moving in towards a new one. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for the Cancerians. The Ten of Thought. It is moving away. The situation that has been troubling you has come to an end, and you can breathe a sigh of relief. With the challenging times behind you, you can now move on. It's important to fully let go at this juncture. Someone in your life may now finally be free of his or her addictions or codependency issues. That's what I said. Somebody exiting the door, giving a final look at the house and moving out. That is what it is, and that is what I see. Whatever the remnant is of this Four of Swords and the Six of Swords, I see you unburdening yourself from it. Whatever was left over, very determined and to move out of this, whatever it was, and manifesting a new beginning in your life. So seems to be a transition time, but yes, a very powerful and a life-changing time for you, Cancerians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.